Every cleaning business hits a point where things start slipping through the cracks. Leads go cold. Clients miss appointments. You forget to follow up, or just don't have the time. And the worst part? It's not your fault. You're just doing too much by hand. That's why having the right CRM changes everything. And not just any CRM, one that's actually built for how cleaning businesses run. One that doesn't just hold client info, but actually does the follow-up for you. That CRM is Go High Level. It gives you all the tools to automate the messy parts of your workflow: lead capture, appointment reminders, review requests, quote follow-ups, all inside one system. But here's the catch. You only get the full value from Go High Level when it's set up the right way. That's why we built WebEye. It's a fully pre-built CRM system inside Go High Level, designed specifically for cleaning business owners. You get ready to run pipelines, messages, automations, and booking flows without doing any of the setup yourself. If you've been looking for the best CRM for your cleaning business with automation that actually works, click the link in the description to access the WebEye system for Go High Level.